Hello guys, hello everybody. This is your girl Lady Ma'am. So today guys, as you can see, we are having cow leg pepper soup. This is called the vegetable pepper soup. This is cow leg with some lot of vegetables and corn, and we have the vegetable soup. It's prepared mostly with vegetables. Sometimes you can eat the soup individually. It's good for those who are vegan. So as you can see, let me stir. It's mostly vegetables and it's very healthy. It's good for your health. You drink the soup and eat the vegetable. So guys, this is what we have for today. As you can see, it's still very hot and flavorful. Oh my gosh, we have our big water bottle, some assorted fruits. Guys, join me, let's enjoy. Thank you.